got out on the boat, we realized that you got to thank God for your family. I thank God for my wife. I thank God for my children. Because my wife was the pillar. Oh, y'all ain't gonna help me here. That when I was on the bed, because I had sung Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and I had all the money in there. I ain't need God for nothing else because all my bills paid. I got the car that I want. I got the money in my pocket. Matter of fact, I was making so much money, and my daddy would tell you that I would come home and empty the money out of my pocket, all of my pockets, throw it on the bed, and my children would charge me $300 for counting my money. But there was something missing. But not only was there something missing, I started looking back at the church. I'm about to reveal something to you. I found out I had left the folk in the church that shouldn't have been there in leadership. Because God had anointed me and appointed me in leadership, but I left them who did not have a love for God's people. Oh, y'all ain't gonna help me here. I'm trying to talk to somebody right now because I got some powers of points of power. I got all that. I got keys to victory. I'm gonna give you all that, but let me get right here right now. What I found out was that I knew more of the right stuff to do